Instructions for the Dubrow Quick Tie Hook Sneller. Run your line through the eye of the hook and leave a 12 to 15 inch tag end. Place your hook next to the hollow post and wrap the line 6 to 8 times in front of the line keeper. Next, feed your line through the hollow post. Pull the line until it's taut and slide the knot off the tool. Move the knot under eye of the hook and pull both ends to secure. Then simply take a scissors and trim the tag end. Instructions are also included on how to tie a nail knot, add a hook snap or swivel, how to make a trailing hook, and how to add 2 lines together.